This photograph shows a railway line and homes at Bedwellty Pits to the south of Tredegar. The mine was opened in 1834 and like all coal mines in the area, railways were needed to move all the coal produced. With the mine being so far out of town, rows of miners' houses were built so that the miners did not have to walk far to work. When the pit closed, the mine buildings and railways were no longer needed and were all cleared away. The land is now green once again, and the old railway lines now make a pleasant walk through the fields. The miners' homes still exist and are being used by families today. However, there are no longer any dirty, noisy trains passing by, and the view from the windows is now much better than when they were first built.